Annuals are plants that have to be replanted each year, whereas perennials come back every year. So why do we even plant annuals in the first place if you have to replant them every year? Why not just use perennials? Let's talk about it. The quick and easy answer is perennials just cannot compare to the flower power and flower duration that annuals offer. And while yes, there are perennials that have spectacular blooms, such as these clematis, but generally perennials are going to bloom for a shorter duration of time, and a lot of the year they might just kind of look like something like this. So generally when people want to have blooming perennials throughout the entire duration of the growing season, you have to do a wide variety of perennials in a bed, some spring bloomers, some summer bloomers, and fall bloomers, or you have to use something with an interesting foliage color. Whereas annuals, when given the proper growing conditions, are going to give you a non-stop just barrage of blooms for the entire grow season. And although more and more people are opting to choose plants like perennials that come back every year, there's still going to be a ton of people that will want to choose annuals because of their amazing flowers that they show off for the entire season.